Good morning, students. Black 29, grade 7. Today we are going to learn about the topic road safety. Students, today what will we learn about in this black? Causes of road accidents, more on road accidents, road safety rules, awareness of road accident. So, one by one you learn. Okay. Students, next you learn the aim. What is the aim of in this lesson? Explain how reckless driving, tailgating and distracted driving lead to road accidents. Explain the more on road accidents and success road safety rules to protect against road accidents. Students, next you learn the keywords. Today keywords are tailgating, distracted, pedestrians, tailgating, distracted, pedestrians. Students, I asking one questions. Listen carefully. What are some ways in which accidents happen while driving? Did you know, students? Accidents happen by driving quickly or by skipping a red light. Students, next you see the pictures. What can you identify in this picture? Students, in this first picture, causes of road accidents, the reason of overspeeding. And the next picture, another one road accidents for using the mobile phone and driving. So, what many causes of road accidents in our society. Students, accidents do not happen. They are caused. No one owns the roads, so treat others with respect. Normal speed meets every need. So night doubles traffic troubles. Students, what are the 10 ways to save road accidents? Number 1, untrained driving. Number 2, over speeding. Number 3, bus driving. Number 4, tailgating. Number 5, distracted driving. Number 6, traffic violations. Number 7, rash and negligence. Number 8, overtaking. And ninth one, disobey traffic rules or tailgate. And 10th one, reckless driving. These also the some ways in which accident happen while driving. Students, I asking one questions, so listen carefully. Okay, how can road accidents happen? There are more reasons: distracted driving, tailgating, and reckless driving. Next, I asking one question, students. What are different ways in which road accidents happen? Road accidents can happen if people use the phone while driving and get distracted, disobey traffic rules and tailgate. Students, next I tell a story. Case study. Sarath, Lisa and Regman. 3 case study is very important. One by one you learn. Okay. Sarath was driving when he received a text message on his mobile phone. He checked the message while driving. He did not notice another car overtaking his car. Sarath hit that car and met with an accident. And then second case study, Lisa was getting late to work. She was annoyed by the slow traffic. When the traffic light turned red and it showed 180 seconds for the light to turn green, Lisa became impatient. She did not want to wait for so long at the traffic signal and jumped the red light. As a result, she ran into another car coming from the opposite direction. Third situation, Rahman stopped his car at a red light. He was in a hurry, and when the light turned orange, he moved his car at full speed, not realizing that the car ahead of him had not yet started. As a result, Rahman's car banged against the car ahead of him. Students, I asking some of the case study question. So listen carefully. Okay. What caused each of these accidents? Did you know, students? Yes. Sarat's accident was caused by texting on his mobile phone while driving. And the next Lisa's accident occurred because she skipped the red light. And the third case study and Rahman's accident happened because he was too close the car ahead of him. Students, next you learn the more on road accidents. I asking one questions. When can driving at night be dangerous? Did you know, students? Yes, driving at night can be dangerous when there are no street lights, when there is fog, etc. Students, next you see the table. How does night driving lead to an increase in road accidents? Did you know, students? Yes, lack of alternates. Students, and the next question, how does carelessness of pedestrians cause accidents? Did you know, students? Yes, not paying attention to the road. Students, finally, what other factors can cause road accidents? Heavy traffic and bad roads. What are the causes on road accidents? Being in a hurry and so violating traffic rules. Not being able to drive properly due to potholes. Students, finally you studied the road safety rules. I asking one question, students, so listen carefully. Okay. Why should we stay safe on the road? Did you know, students? Yes, we should stay safe on the road to keep ourselves safe from road accidents. Students, next you see the pictures. These pictures going on following the road safety rules. Students, I asking one question. Listen carefully. How can some of these problems be prevented? The safety rules. Drivers can stay within the speed limit, overtake only when necessary, drive in the right direction, follow traffic light rules, not use mobile phones while driving, do physical fitness checkups to remain fit while driving, and wear their seat belts and helmets. And then next question, what are some rules that can keep us safe on the road? Did you know, students? Yes, we should not break the law and should follow traffic rules on the speed limit, traffic lights, and using mobile phones, and wearing seat belts and helmets, etc. These also the some of the example of road safety rules. Why do people not follow road safety rules? People do not follow road safety rules because they may be in a hurry or might think there is no need for rules to stay safe. However, safety rules can overall protect people when driving. Students, finally you learn the road safety rules. How can you follow the road safety rules? Did you know, students? Yes, follow the law on speed limits. Obey traffic light rules. Do not use a mobile phone while driving. Wear a seat belt. Wear a helmet. Student, simply you follow the traffic lights on. Red is wait, yellow is get ready, and green is go. These three colors of light is follows the safety rules on the road. Finally, thank you students. You observing the video and complete the outside.